Hey, Chris here from Samurai Signs. As you can see, we're here at J&K Automotive Refinishing. We just finished doing this ute. Jake wanted some stickers on the side of his ute, and we're also doing the one-way vision on the back. We'll show you around the ute right now, and we'll talk to you when we're finished. Right, we're just here at the moment with Jake, the owner of J&K Automotive Refinishes. So Jake, tell us a little bit what J&K Auto Refinishes.
Well, here we do sandblasting and protective coating from anywhere from the mine stuff right through to, guarding ornaments or anything like that. We do full restorations on cars, basically anything.
I've seen you do a fair few trucks before.
We've just built the new shed to house semis, sandblasting. Just built a new sandblasting booth to do, floats, all that from start to finish. So.
Oh, that's perfect. So there you go, guys. If you want a fantastic job done, come and see Jake and the team, and you will not be disappointed.